At 11319 Warrie Creek Alley, Fairhope, Alabama, the stunning custom-built 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms home awaits you. Nestled in Long Pine Estates, this property offers a blend of elegance and comfort with a split floor plan that enhances both privacy and use. Prepare to be impressed by the upscale finishes throughout, including a gourmet kitchen equipped with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and rich wood cabinets, making it an ideal spot for culinary enthusiasts. The spacious primary suite features a luxurious bathroom with travertine tile flooring, an oversized walk-in tile shower, a soothing jacuzzi tub, and a large walk-in closet with custom built-ins. Call Tracey Goens at 251-533-6832 for a private tour.